All right, y'all. It is about to be December. And after December, you already know January. In January, we start tax season. Well, as a business owner, my suggestion is you start getting yourself together now. Let me tell you something. Get all your expenses and all your deductions in line because that is where you are going to try to save money on your taxes. There are so many things that we have to claim. We have rent, we have phone bills, we have electric bills, some of us have gas, we have cars, we have uniforms, we have our shoes. There are so many things we need to claim on our taxes. As a matter of fact, there's nothing we don't need to claim on our taxes. Get your list together now because you don't want to forget anything. Nothing. You don't want to leave nothing behind. You don't want to end up doing your taxes and, oh, I forgot about my bank fees. Oh my goodness, I forgot about my insurance. Oh my gosh, I forgot about my property taxes. Oh my goodness, I forgot I bought a computer. I forgot I had to fix the water heater. You do not want to forget anything. If you have a building that you have to claim, get all of that stuff in line. If you work at home, get your square footage all together. If you do both, make sure you do not miss anything, down to your pens, paper, pencils, cell phones, everything. Your glasses, make sure you claim everything because these are expenses. These are deductions. These are things that we need to save money on our taxes because we have already spent the money to be able to operate our businesses. So we want to get credit for that. Being a business owner is not easy. It is hard, and during the year it's kind of hard to keep track of all of this stuff. So hopefully you have kept a ledger during the year. But I'm going to tell you something. Go ahead and get it prepared now. I have been audited, so I know what that feels like, and it is not a good feeling. It's the most stressful thing that you can possibly go through. So my advice to you is to get it together and start now. Make your list, check it twice. Make sure you have everything: your car, your insurance, your mileage, your repairs, everything. One year I had to purchase an air conditioner. 1 year I had to purchase all new furniture. And as a cosmetologist, I have products that I use. I have materials that I have to buy. I have curlers I have to replace. That's another thing, things that you have to replace. Make sure you have all of that. And taxes with your licenses, with getting your business license, getting all of your certifications in line, your continuing education. Make sure you have a list. And I'm going to tell you something that a lot of people fail to put down. Those Cash App fees and PayPal fees and Venmo fees, those are bank fees. Put all of that stuff in there. Make sure you get all of these things together. Go through your Cash App statements. Go through your bank statements. Your bank charges you a fee every month if they do. Get all of that stuff together because you are going to need everything to claim on your taxes. Next year, I will be helping a lot of business owners trying to save money on their business by filing everything, every expense that they have on their taxes, because it is so important that we keep this stuff together and we keep a ledger of it. We write it down. We have receipts. And if you do have receipts, the best thing that you can do with your receipts is write everything down. Get you one of those little legal binding notebooks and legal notebooks that they have now in the store, the composition notebooks, whatever it is. Put all of that stuff on that notebook. Keep it a list on your computer. Have at least maybe 2 or 3 lists that you are keeping together. Because this is the thing, receipts fade. Receipts could burn up. Receipts could get lost. So make sure you make a list of everything that you all of your expenses, everything that you have purchased, everything, even people that you have paid. Make sure you have a list of all of those things, because tax season is coming and it is right around the corner. And my suggestion to you is to be ready. So I'm going to leave y'all with that. Get your list together. Start now. Don't wait for January, because April comes really quick. I'm telling you, those months fly by. And if you're a business owner like me and you are in the service industry, or you have products and goods that you sell, that's probably going to be an extremely busy time of the year. So your time will be limited. You may not have the time to sit down and be clear-headed enough to make a list of all the things that you have done all year. So start now. Start getting your taxes together now. Get those expenses together. Get your list together. And like I say, check it twice, because you are going to need it, because it is almost time to file your taxes. Let's get it together, y'all. All business owners, get it together now. And make sure you have all your 1098s, 1099s. Make sure you get all those forms together. 1095. Get all those forms together. Don't miss anything. And make sure you get with a tax preparer that is going to have the time to sit down with you and make sure you have all of these things in line, as well as listen to any of their suggestions. They know all the things that you should have together. They know the list. Matter of fact, a lot of us, as myself, are now creating lists for our clients, because we want them to be able to get credit for everything that they have done all year long. So I'm going to be a tax preparer next year, and hopefully I will have the time to come and help y'all a little bit. Maybe a video once a week that I can do, every now and then. But that is the new business that I am in now. I am an official tax preparer. So get your list, check it twice, because tax season is right around the corner and I want to see you get your just due. Y'all have a blessed day and I will see you guys later. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so that I can share with you everything that I know. And another thing, do your research on the BOI report, because that right there, there's a lot of confusion going on with that. A lot of people think that they don't have to file it, but please do your research. It is called the BOI report. Okay? Go ahead and do your research and find out if you have to file that, and do it now, because January the 1st, 2025 is the deadline. And oh my goodness, the fines, they are charging up to $500 per day, and nobody needs that. So I will see y'all later, and y'all have a blessed day. Bye-bye.